Companies use software to make employees more productive. But with all of these amazing tools, employee productivity is far from 100%. Most admittedly don't understand the strategy and are not engaged in their work. So employee production is a fraction of what it could be. To be productive, employees need information. They need to know their goals, the strategy, and the plan for execution. But this information is fragmented across different tools and changing all the time. So it's hard for employees to know what they need to know to be productive. And companies typically fragment information further into small pieces of execution, projects, tasks, and subtasks, diminishing productivity further by focusing employees on documenting task information as tasks are completed, instead of optimizing the flow of information to help employees maximize production. Parallel gets productivity to 100% while making work easier for everyone, streamlining employees' connection to the information they need, their goals, the initiatives in their company's strategy, and the details in its execution to maximize their production. Think of Parallel as a company hub, keeping employees directly connected to their goals, strategic initiatives, and execution details, managed by the people, for the people, to help all people in the company be as productive as possible, while making work easier for everyone. Let's take a look at how Parallel gets employee productivity to 100% while making work easier for the team member responsible for doing their job, the function leader responsible for leading their function, the business leader responsible for everything, and the conductor responsible for orchestrating the operation. We'll start with Pete, a product team member, who has an important product update he needs to share with the team. But instead of updating a task in Jira or Asana and following up with a group email, Slack message, or a presentation at the next meeting, fragmenting information across tools, diminishing productivity for everyone, Pete logs into Parallel, into the initiative he is working on, where he sees top-level initiative information, including the goal and how productivity is measured, along with a channel for each work stream of the initiative. He clicks his work stream and clicks Edit to update his work stream's content, automatically notifying everyone. In Parallel, workstream content is created, distributed, and managed without fragmenting information across email, Slack, and project management software, making it easier for everyone to know what they need to know, increasing productivity. Now meet Doug, the digital team leader, who needs to communicate how the digital investments he is responsible for are producing. So he clicks his work stream and updates the status with the latest results, so team members can easily stay connected to their goals without hunting for numbers in spreadsheets. And in Parallel, he sees a notification of the product news that connects him to the new content he can use to improve digital production. With Parallel, you eliminate the task of documenting information about tasks, and instead, you connect everyone to the information they need to maximize productivity. Now meet Ellie, the team's business leader, who has a big meeting with her superiors coming up, and to be prepared, she needs updates from her team on the most current situation. But instead of having to get an update presentation from each individual member of her core team, she clicks Customers, displaying both the internal and external customers in her strategy, with the number of initiatives they're executing for each, and a clear picture of how they're producing against their goals. She then clicks Specific Customers to view strategy and execution for each, alongside customer intelligence, on demand and organized, so team members can find real-time information about any initiative. And with access to real-time information, Ellie's always the most prepared person in the meeting, ready to be productive with a crystal clear picture of the current situation. Coming out of her meeting, she needs to steer her team's focus in a new direction. So she messages the conductor orchestrating the operation, Olivia, who now needs to actually steer the team's focus. But instead of having to document the new direction across spreadsheets, presentations, and projects, fragmenting information, Olivia clicks Results and edits the company dashboard to steer company focus with ease by updating the company initiative list, automatically notifying the team, and highlighting what's changed, keeping everyone focused on their goals, making it infinitely easier for employees to understand the strategy and engage to help execute it. In parallel, companies share a common purpose, managing execution and strategy simultaneously, connecting all employees to focus on maximizing production and fulfilling their purpose. So if this looks interesting, we've made it easy to try. You can create an account free with unlimited users, no credit card required. Set up your workspace in a few easy steps, add a company customer, internal or external, who you want to get everyone working together on. Name the desired result you want to produce and the people or departments involved. Then, click on that desired result to build an initiative that will produce it. You'll have two options: to use the process builder or just click Auto Build to automatically create your initiative with channels for each work stream. Then, just assign work streams to individuals and they'll receive an email to come manage the content in their work stream. Parallel is your system for bringing everyone into the same workspace and connecting efforts to produce bigger results while making work easier for all employees. Try it at workinginparallel.com.